being recorded.
Okay. All right, good afternoon and welcome. My name is Kelly Lynn Mitchell, and I'm the chair of the Minnesota Sentencing Guidelines Commission. It's now 1 o'clock, and the July 18th public hearing is called to order. This hearing is taking place in the Minnesota Senate Building, room 1100, 95 University Avenue, St. Paul, Minnesota. I am here along with Commissioners Larkin, Commissioner Moore, and Commissioner Knudsen, Executive Director Nate Reitz. There are also additional commission members who are attending online today. The public hearing has a remote access option by telephone or interactive technology, and instructions for remote participation have been posted on our website at mn.gov/sentencing-guidelines-meetings. This public hearing is being held to consider proposed modifications to the 2023 Minnesota Sentencing Guidelines and commentary resulting from legislative amendments to crime laws affecting the sentencing guidelines that were enacted during the 2024 regular session, and other conforming amendments to crime laws affecting the sentencing guidelines enacted also during the 2024 regular session. The specified effective date for all proposed modifications is August 1st, 2024. You can access a complete copy of the proposed modifications on our website at mn.gov/sentencing-guidelines/meetings. These have been available on the website since June 17th, 2024, the same day the notice of this hearing was published in the State Register. There are a limited number of public inspection copies available in the room, together with website access information. If you wish, you may provide spoken or written statements today regarding the proposed modifications. You may also address questions about the proposed modifications to the Commission, its staff, or witnesses. And if you make a spoken statement, the Commission or its staff may ask questions of you. If you would like to testify about the proposed modifications today and you have not registered yet, you must first register your name, address, telephone number, and the names of any individuals or associations that you represent in connection with the hearing. There's nobody here in person right now, but for those of you who are attending remotely, if you have not signed up to testify and you want to, please email your registration information to staff at sentencing.guidelines@state.mn.us. Do that right away. You'll receive and then you'll receive meeting access information. If you have trouble, you can also call our staff at 651-296-0144. After anyone who wishes to has testified, the public hearing will end. The Commission will hold the record open for 5 calendar days after the public hearing to accept written comment. Written materials must be received no later than July 23rd, 2024. Any person who wishes to provide a written statement may do so in one of 3 ways. First, by delivering the written statement to the public hearing today. Second, by sending the written statement by U.S. mail to Minnesota Sentencing Guidelines Commission. The address is 658 Cedar Street, Suite G58 in St. Paul, Minnesota, 55155. Or by emailing that statement to our email address, which is sentencing.guidelines@state.mn.us. The Commission will give due consideration to all written comments received within the 5-day comment period, as well as all written comments received up until now. The Commission will meet next Thursday, July 25th at 1 p.m. to finally adopt or reject its proposals. That meeting will take place in the Afton Room at the Department of Corrections at 1450 Energy Park Drive in St. Paul, with remote participation optional. So far, 0 people have registered to testify. So as a reminder, if you are listening in and you would like to testify, but you have not yet registered, please either sign in with staff now, or if you're attending remotely, please email your registration information to staff at sentencing.guidelines@state.mn.us right away. or you can call staff at 651-296-0144. So what we're going to do now is just put everything on hold for a few minutes to allow anyone who might be interested in contacting us. Let's do 4, we'll go to 110. All right. So while we're waiting, just a reminder for anyone who might be watching us remotely, we're just holding the hearing open for a few minutes in case anyone wants to register to testify. And to do that, you would have to email us at sentencing.guidelines@state.mn.us or call 651-296-0144. We'll hold it open for a few more minutes. And if we don't receive any requests to testify, then we will close the hearing. Thanks. Okay, the time is now 1:10, and we haven't received any requests for folks who would like to testify today. So let's see. Yep. Nothing? Okay. All right, so it's, as I said, it's 1:10, and we have not received any requests for individuals who would like to testify. So that is going to conclude the business of today's public hearing. The record of this public hearing will remain open for 5 calendar days after today through July 23rd, 2024. So there's still time to submit written comments. If anyone is interested in doing that, you can do that by submitting those to the commission's email address at sentencing.guidelines@state.mn.us. And with that, the public hearing is adjourned. Thank you all for coming today.